An ePortfolio for dental core trainees has been developed to coincide with the new curriculum for dental core training. This short presentation will show you how to use the main features of the portfolio. It will cover getting into the system, the home page, forms, PDP and curriculum, and ticketing. The portfolio is being built using Agile methodology. You will see additional content being added in the coming weeks. You can access your portfolio from the website address, which is portfolio.turasdigital.com. For those of us who don't speak Gaelic, Turas means journey. Your username is your email address and you can select your own password. The portfolio can be accessed on multiple devices, including PCs, Macs, mobile phones and tablets. Once into the system, you will see your home page. This has 4 main areas: ticket status, progress summary, quick reflection starter, and current status. When you first log in, you will be asked to sign a conditions of taking up a post agreement. Until this has been signed, you will not be able to use all the functions of the portfolio. In the progress summary area, you can view how you are covering the DCT curriculum. There are 4 domains in the mandatory section of the DCT curriculum: professional behaviour and trust, communication, teamworking and leadership, clinical safety and quality, and clinical care. In these 4 domains, there are 18 learning outcomes. You are expected to link a minimum of 2 pieces of evidence to each of these 18 outcomes. Supervised learning events used to be called workplace-based assessments. There are 4 different types of SLEs: case-based discussions, direct observations of procedures, mini-clinical examinations, and developing the clinical teacher. You are expected to complete 24 SLEs during your 1-year post. This area also shows what stage you're at with your multi-source feedback. You are expected to do a minimum of 1 round of MSF in your 1-year post. The forms page includes declarations, SLEs, MSF, supervisor meetings, and quality improvement. The only declaration you need to complete is your conditions of taking up a post. SLEs can be done by ticketing or by completing the form with your assessor. You are expected to complete 2 SLEs every month and 24 by the time of completion of your 1-year post. You are also expected to complete a minimum of 1 multi-source feedback in your 1-year post. You should complete a self-assessment first and then invite at least 10 colleagues to provide feedback. The summary of their comments will be fed back to you by your educational supervisor. This area also covers supervisor meetings. Your supervisor will invite you to regular meetings, and the outcomes of those meetings will be recorded here. Finally, a quality improvement project should be completed during your 1-year post and the details added to your portfolio. Moving to the next page, this covers curriculum and PDP. You should record a personal development plan at the start of your post to share with your educational supervisor at your first meeting. You may wish to record further PDPs throughout your post. The portfolio includes all 18 mandatory learning outcomes of the DCT curriculum. You need to link 2 pieces of evidence to each of the mandatory learning outcomes. This page shows you the detail of the curriculum and the evidence you have linked. The Tickets page shows you both the tickets you have created and the tickets you have received. The Reflections and Achievements page allows you to record reflections and to add achievements, and to upload additional evidence. There is no limit on the storage in ePortfolio, although an individual file can be no more than 10 megabytes. All the evidence that is held in your portfolio will be reviewed by a panel at an interim review of competence progression at 6 months, and again at a final review of competence progression towards the end of your 1-year post. It is important, therefore, that you use your portfolio regularly and keep it up to date. Finally, if there are any errors, please feed back using the green icon on the right of the screen.